Fidor Bank offers a range of digital banking services that can be highly cost-effective if managed correctly. One of the most effective ways to save on fees with Fidor Bank is by fully leveraging its digital-first approach. Traditional banks often charge monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, and transfer fees, but Fidor Bank minimizes these if you follow the right approach. Opening a Fidor Bank account gives access to fee-free basic services, including online transfers and debit card usage. The key is to always use digital channels instead of physical branch services. For instance, online and app-based transfers within the Fidor network are free, which eliminates the need for expensive interbank transfers that can cost between $5 and $10 per transaction elsewhere. Another cost-saving strategy is utilizing the Fidor Smart Account features, which allow for real-time spending alerts and automatic categorization of expenses. This helps prevent overdraft fees, which can range from $20 to $35 at traditional banks. By monitoring spending through the app, users can maintain a positive balance and avoid unnecessary penalties. Fidor also partners with other financial services, including online investment platforms and prepaid services, allowing users to avoid third-party fees. International transactions, which typically incur high charges, can be reduced significantly by using Fidor's integrated partner services instead of conventional foreign transfers. Maintaining an active account by using Fidor debit cards for everyday purchases can also lead to cashback rewards and waived fees, effectively turning everyday spending into a fee-saving opportunity. By combining app-based transfers, careful expense monitoring, and the strategic use of partner services, Fidor Bank users can significantly reduce or even eliminate most common banking fees, saving hundreds of dollars annually compared to traditional banks. Understanding and using these features consistently ensures maximum efficiency and cost savings.